can find the area of triangle, right? Okay, let's do this. This is a triangle. This is the base. Let's say the base is 12 cm and the height is 6 cm. So to find the area, you use this formula. Area is half times base times height. Okay, this is a formula to find area. So from this we have 1/2, the base is 12, the height is 6. Okay, so we have 1/2, 12 times 6 is 72. So you simply divide this 72 by 2 and you have 36 centimeters squared. This is the answer to this question. So I want you to find the area of this triangle for me. The base is 15 cm and the height is 7 cm. Do this and drop your answer in the comments.